Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul. Nothing crazy, just some stuff that I picked up for crafts and stuff that I just thought was really cool for gift baskets and little goodies. Before we get into it, I do want to mention all of the crafts that I've posted before this video because I know that YouTube is having notification issues now. It's probably happening because a lot of channels are now being flagged as kids channels and this whole thing behind the scenes. But every time that happens, a lot of creators do get kind of screwed over, and unfortunately my channel takes a hit every time there's a change. So I am going to list all of the crafts that I have made. If you want to watch them, cool. If not, that's okay too. So let me get right into the haul. The first item, which I thought was really awesome, is this Monte Carlo two standard pillowcases, or why did I say two standard pillowcases? Monte Carlo pillowcases. Usually Dollar Tree has pillowcases, but this is much better quality. It just feels nice and silky. And this isn't the first time that I see nicer pillowcases at Dollar Tree. These are probably just items that didn't sell well in stores. Does it have a thread count? No. 100% microfiber. So if you do have curly hair, this is probably good for your hair. I always just pineapple it, but I love this, and I love that it is one solid color because you can make really cool pillows out of this or whatever you want, and they are 20 by 30. The next item that I got were more of the mugs. So I got the little truck one, and then I got the ornament one again because my sister stole my ornament one, and we are always using these. I try to make my own coffee at home when I don't go to Starbucks, and when I do go to Starbucks, sometimes I'll remember, which I have to be better about it, to bring my reusable cup. So for the ones at home, I use this, and it just looks so cute. The little red truck thing is adorable this year. Like I said, not everything is cute. I am not a fan of the fabric that they have, and I'm also not a fan of the towels, but everything else is adorable. And the reason I'm not a fan is because it's faded. So if you're buying something to make something new, you don't want it to look like it's been washed a few times. So I don't want anybody to think that I'm saying like, oh, you like something ugly. It's a little on the faded side, at least the ones in my store. So another thing that is super comfy during the season and also great gift options are these super soft snuggly socks. And this one has a fox. Every year I go ham on the socks. These are perfect to sleep in. I love sleeping with my AC blasting no matter how cold it is. It could be snowing and I still have a fan going, but my feet need to be warm or I wake up with back pain. Isn't that weird? That because my feet are cold, I wake up with back pain? I know. I got the Santa Claus ones as well. This is more for a craft because these are not going to fit my calves. I mean, maybe. I think they. Yeah! Wait, just kidding. I was holding two different socks. They're not going to fit my calves, but for a craft, this would be really adorable. Or for a gift basket for somebody that you know that is on the thinner side. So cute. Okay, my dear friends. In the hair section, they have been putting a lot cooler stuff out now, a lot more name brand. This is not name brand, I just absolutely love it. And it is the little, kind of looks like a bandana, but without a bow. So they have them in just a little headband with the bow and one that is just the headband. So you can combine the two if you really wanted to, and it would still be cheaper than buying one from Claire's or wherever. So look how cute this is, and it looks very pin-up-y. They have them in different patterns and in different shades. I love this so much. I wanted to craft with this for a recent trip that I have coming up, because sometimes when your curls are looking kind of dull, just a nice little scarf makes it look prettier, kind of like what I did today. Ever since I had my surgery, my hair has been so blah because I was getting my hair blow dried. Usually when I straighten my hair at home, I do roller set and then I just kind of like fix up the edges, but they were like full on blow drying. So my curl pattern is so loose now and it makes me so sad. In the toy section, I found this mermaid headband, and this is something I definitely purchased for a craft. In the blink of an eye, summer stuff is going to start peeking around the corner. So this is stuff that's probably going to be gone by the time that summer rolls around and I have craft ideas. So I did have to purchase, and I do have to hide this from Aria because if she sees this, she's going to want it. So I have to hide a bunch of really cool things for her. And by the way, look how cute the little pearls on there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll do a close-up. It's just so darn cute. Okay. This was a really, really cool find because there's nothing wrong with them. And it is little shirts from the Children's Place. I've seen this at multiple Dollar Trees now. So this one is a size 18 to 24 months and it says Mommy's Little Boss or Mom's Little Boss. So it can be for a boy or a girl. Then I got this one in 3T that says Beautiful Like Mommy, Adored by Daddy. It says it's a size 3T and it looks pretty true to size. Maybe it's not, maybe that's why it ended up at Dollar Tree. But these are originally $9.50. They do still have the original tag. So if you want to keep these around for like gifts and just stuff them in a little like closet later on for last minute stuff, if you know people with toddlers, if you have friends with toddlers, it'd be a great idea. I have another one that is a 4T, also valued at $9.50, that says #no-naps. This is Aria all the way because why can't she just nap? And then this one I love. I wish they had a girl version and a little bigger. This is a size 12 to 18 months and it says El consentido de mamá. ¿Y so like mom's brat, so what, kind of. I think that would be like the appropriate translation. Consentido is like it's not brat, but it's like, yeah, let's just say it's mom's little brat. So what? I just thought it was so cute. And I love that it's in Spanish. Go Children's Place for selling Spanish stuff. In the makeup section, this is not the first time I see it at Dollar Tree, but the first time I didn't purchase it. So when Halloween rolled around, I had a bunch of ideas and I couldn't find this. And they are the LA Colors Color Sticks. These things are actually really pigmented. They're like lipsticks, so you can use them as a stick or you can use them with a little brush. I do already own the white one, and girl, I bought this and I was like, I'm gonna do the Bratz challenge, and I created the most horrifying Bratz look ever. I'll probably insert a picture if I can find it. No. Maybe I should actually full on do a Bratz challenge on this channel. I got 3 colors. Hopefully they do come out with more. In the Christmas section, of course, I found the vintage Mickey candy cane, and I think this is really cute. I have purchased vintage Mickey stuff from Dollar Tree before. I have the vintage Mickey bag, which is him and Minnie sitting at like a little work site. Then they had wall decals, and I also got this cup. So these are things that I purchased so that if I find more things that go together, this could become a really cool gift basket for somebody who is a Disney fan. And you know that down the line you're going to see something that is also vintage Mickey. I probably wouldn't keep this for a long time because eventually it will expire, but this is something that they do put out every Christmas. This is something that would probably be hard to find. This was in the kitchen section, but whenever I do see things that I can couple together, I think it's a great idea to put a little gift basket together. You put it in a nice basket, or you put it in a nice like Dollar Tree container, add some little Hershey Kisses, and you're good to go. Or if you don't want to keep it all Dollar Tree, you can always just go to Walmart and get yourself a Mickey shirt. Not everything has to be from Dollar Tree, but the fact that you're loading it up with dollar stuff makes it totally worth it. In the craft section, I found these magnetic buttons. They are from Crafter's Square. I have yet to find a store that has a full Crafter's Square section, but I do find little things peeking through in the stores that I do go to, and I love this. This is so cool for little trinkets that you buy, like those little like ceramic things that you like them, but in reality there's no place in your home. You can always just slap a little magnetic button behind it, put it on your fridge, or put it on your command center to just hold things in place. For $1, you get 14. Another hair product that I thought was really cool and I actually am going to use is the Conair High Styles Volume and Lift. Ooh, now everybody can look like Snooki. Okay, just kidding. But if my hair wasn't all funky, I would definitely try this out. But I used to use something like this a very long time ago when I used to wear my hair straight. I would take extensions, the color of my hair, and wrap it around this so that you wouldn't see this. And then I'd put it underneath back here just to give myself some volume. My hair has a lot of volume when it's curly, when it's straight, it looks like I have very, very little hair. It'll look long, but very little. So things like this do come in handy. And I was actually surprised to see it at Dollar Tree. So I got a few because I always lose everything. In the craft department, I found floral wire. Usually Dollar Tree does have floral wire, but it's much thicker. This one is a 26 gauge, and I feel like with this, you can definitely do like some jewelry pieces. There was a craft that I was gonna do on my channel during the summer, and I had to end up buying jewelry wire from Walmart, even though everything else was Dollar Tree. So I didn't put it out because I was like, nah. So maybe I'll attempt it again during the summer. So cute. And this is 100 feet for $1, not bad. They do have them in different colors, by the way. I got the gold, but they have silver, purple, black, all sorts of goodies. I was able to find the ornaments that are letters. I was only able to find J. I didn't find A and Y or O and Y. I didn't find Ari's, enough to make Ari's name. But it's still cool that they have these. The store that I went to, it kind of looked like they only had a few. But I have seen people post on Instagram that they have the entire alphabet. So be on the lookout if you are trying to use these. And if you don't want to use these for crafts, you can always just go to Michael's, use a coupon, and buy the wood ones and just glitter it up. Probably a lot better quality too. In a random end cap, this wasn't even in the kitchen section, I found Paw Patrol bite-size food cutter. How cool is this if you have a toddler that loves Paw Patrol? Aria has become such a picky eater. I mean, such a picky eater. So I'm hoping that this kind of helps. I'll probably like make her a little PB&J and let her do it so that maybe she'll eat it. But basically you just take whatever it is you're making, you put this on top, and you kind of just squeeze it down. So it ends up being a little dog bone and treats, and then the little Paw Patrol logo. They also had another one which is just tiny little squares, but I really like this because Aria is obsessed with Paw Patrol. And then randomly by the register, they have a ton of these patches. I love patches. I love putting them on to old jean jackets. I wear a lot of jean jackets. And I found this one, which is a starfish. I'm finding a lot of things that I can do nautical things with. So it's a starfish and a little star. This one says star and it has a crown. And this one is a flower, and I don't know what bug that is. Somebody will comment it below. I do have a few others, which is in like another bag, but I think it's just a starfish. And then the last thing in the picture frame aisle, I found more of the photo hanger. Dollar Tree does have the little mini hangers, but these are a lot bigger and they're colorful. If you are having an event and you want to do a little photo gallery, these are adorable. If you don't want to buy the colorful ones, they have a multi-pack of just the little wood ones. They also have black ones, or you can just paint them. You can do whatever you want. These are 8 clips. They have little suction things, so you can just suction them onto whatever your surface is, and you are good to go. So that is it for me. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments what you will be on the lookout for. And as usual, thank you so, so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will hopefully see you on the next one.